So, and we can also use this later because I can go, okay, like I remember now that we did this or that. What's happening? So, one thing you can do to check upper neck is if you push in right behind the ear, like I can push it here, I don't really have much of a reaction. But if I check, let me see this one. If I push in here, like he's kind of turning his head away, he's moving. This, I can feel this muscle tone back here is really, really tight. Okay, so I can push here, no problem. This right here is irritated on this right side.
Well, that would make sense. That's what basket was.
Okay. Hi. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is a really light jaw adjustment. Hi. Hold on. Hold on. What's that? That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad. Atlas, so that top vertebra it's winged. It looks like this. It's sitting like this. So the left side's sticking that way, and the right side's going forward. That's my shirt. That's my shirt. Let me see something. Hi, buddy. Now lift your head.
He's not even swinging his tail.
He's so good. Oh.
Okay, still so irritated. Let me check something else. I know, those are delicious. My car's not going after that. Just think about that. Okay, let's check. Muscle tone's a little better. I'm gonna check something real quick.
He doesn't even swing his tail.
Yeah.
So swaying the tail means they're irritated, essentially, like a dog.
Yeah.
Well, dogs do it when they're excited too, but
Well, and most giraffes don't like their ears anywhere close to it. But I make a point to work
Make him-
on his, and
Yeah.
because when kids are here,
yes, they touch everything.
they touch everything. So I've worked really hard at making him okay with you touching ears.
Yeah.
Man, you're just gonna eat my shirt.
Yeah.
You're just gonna eat my shirt. So just check range of motion for his left. I know.
He's like, do that hug thing again. That
Yeah,
was
I like
nice.
that.
That was good.
I'm big into
Yeah,
hugs.
we like hugs. Can we do that again?
Let me see.
My mom makes him hugged all the time.
We have a little restriction to his right. Oh, man. I'm gonna check one more thing. Turn your head this way. Let's turn it.
This way again?
I know.
Something like this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's easy. It's just getting into all the other stuff. Like,
Yeah.
how do we get down into like legs and all that? But so